I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Irish moss and linseed drink. Soak Irish moss and linseed separately, rinse thoroughly, then simmer gently with water, spices, and sweetener until you reach a creamy gel. Blend or whisk for a smooth texture, chill, and serve over ice or warm as desired. I'll guide you through timing, ratios, and flavor tips so you get a reliable, tasty result every time. Start by measuring, rinsing, and soaking your ingredients so they hydrate fully and release their thickening power. Keep a 1:16 ratio of linseed to liquid for a silky mouthfeel and adjust Irish moss quantity for thickness. Prep spices and sweeteners ahead so you can taste as you go. I'll show gentle simmering and blending steps to preserve nutrients and get a smooth, consistent drink you'll love. Keep the heat low while simmering to protect delicate compounds and prevent a bitter flavor. Stir frequently and skim any foam, then blend briefly to emulsify for a velvety texture. Taste and adjust sweetness or spice after blending, since flavors develop as it cools. Chill fully for the best mouthfeel, and label your container with the date so you can enjoy the drink fresh within a few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.